What is the importance of a privacy? You know better than mine. On a social media, privacy matters a lot. So you must keep your Facebook friend list private. Sometimes it's hard for the people that how they can find this option on a Facebook. So today I will simply teach you that how you can find this option. First of all, click on this three line icon. Then click on this setting option. Then scroll down to this option, that how people can find and contact you. Click on this option. Here is that option that who can see your friend list. As I already have selected only me, if your friend list is visible to your friends or public, then you can change it to only me. Now your friend list will be hide from all your friends and others using Facebook. If you find this helpful, please like and share. If you have another query like that, please comment and I will make a video on that topic. Thank you very much.